Not exactly sure what this is all about, but could mean something, could mean nothing. But 3 days in a row, and it is raining directly over top of my house. While it's kind of hard to tell, it looks totally cloudy, but it's really not. I got a dog on my lap. There's blue up there, if this would focus. Blue skies around, but yet rain directly over top of my street. 3 days in a row, mind you. I didn't get it yesterday. I started to try to get it, but I had some commotion going on and I didn't get it. So yeah.